haven't seen these buttons. Ooh, it's very cool. It's got that good old swing smell.
I'm so surprised this thing works. This button is pretty sketchy.
I've only seen these buttons one other place. That was some hotel in Presidio Parkway Inn in San Francisco has these.
Oh yeah.
They must be made by home. Or Cutler Hammer. This is a Cutler Hammer COG. I know, it's just littered. The whole place is littered with garbage.
The panel's actually in a really good shape. Watch the button.